The last element that we're going to have a look at on this course is value. So value is sometimes referred to as tone. It's the relative lightness and darkness of an object. And I do have to laugh with a lot of my students. Value has nothing to do with the actual price of an object. Value can also be used in reference to the lightness or darkness of a color or a hue. If you are interested more in light as an influence on design elements and principles, please join us for a lighting course. But in the interim, I'm going to show you the differences in value. So you've seen this tile once before, much earlier on in this course. This is a 3D tile. It's got form to it. So if you have a look at this tile, the structure of the tile in the 3D form is creating high and low value. High value is where there are areas of quite a lot of light, and low value is areas where they're in the shadows when it's quite dark. A great example is this ottoman on the left-hand side. So high value is where the fabric appears in its true form, and low value is where it's deep buttoned into the shadow. And value helps us create texture and pattern.